你别说话。Okay. So I want to know the voltages across this capacitor, all between the ground and the capacitor's pin here. That's positive. So first you need to switch to DCV 20 volts and turn on the digital multimeter. Then when you hook up the wire, so the pin 3 and pin 9, they are grounds. You can okay, when you hook up the wire, maybe it's a little bit difficult to probe into the wire, but you need to measure like this. You measure between the ground and that pin. See this? That's a resonator. That's a capacitor. And the big shining white dot, that's the positive. So you probe the white dot and the grounds and measure the voltages during normal operating, which means the car engine is off, the car's door is closed, and it's in idling state. I mean, this board is waiting for signal. Or there's another easier way. You can just measure the voltages across this capacitor. So you probe across this pin, one lead of the capacitor and the other lead of capacitor, and measure the voltages during normal operating mode. Then tell me. And right now I rework from here to here because this chip, that chip, and this chip, those chips also the EEPROM, that's to store the program. Those chips don't have power. It needs 5 volts of power. That's a relay, and that's RF. I couldn't measure RF, but looks like those transistors got voltages. But I jump a wire that's 5 volts to here, then all the chips are live right now. Okay, thank you, bye.